Okay, we are to where we can drill a hole, finally. Okay, I have the drill tipped to 34 degrees. The stairway itself was 33 and a half. You want to go a little bit steeper, just works out better that way. So this is tipped over to 34 degrees. Now, the way that this works, you see this bearing right here? The middle of it, right there, is the pivot point. Pivot point is 4 3/4 up. Just like these blocks, the middle of the block is 4 3/4 up. So, regardless of where this drill tips, as it goes and changes, it bisects this vertical line, or bisects the exact center of this point. It bisects this thing at exactly the same, here, there's the middle going this way, there's 4 3/4, this comes down, and they all bisect at the same micron point, the exact center of this. That's the way we can be perfect every time, regardless the angle that we set it at, or turn this 90 degrees and turn it again. It all bisects this one, and the exact center of this. They're all the same exact point. That's why it works. Exact center of the imaginary center line. So that's the way it works. Okay? And referencing this right here, this is the name of the video where we show you how to make one of these, start to finish, to make one using just a standard drill press. Here, we're going to do that again over there. How to make one of these just using a regular drill press. Ideally 4 3/4 inch travel and a 1.5 horsepower. That's enough to make it work really. Well, that's what this one is. Travel 4 3/4 and a 1.5 horse. The exact center. Working with the exact center, the imaginary center line that goes through the middle of every workpiece. Usually machinists understand this really quick because they work with it all the time. But for carpenters like me, it took a while to get the hang of it. Okay? Okay, switch the shock, put in a different one. There, Morse taper pops right out. See? Little wedge, drive it out. See, here. There, it's just a little wedge, steel wedge. Drive in there. It presses right there, just like that. Comes in between, pops it out the bottom. And I put this one in. There. Then I put this one in because this one is an inch shorter than this one. Gives me a little more space.